Is it a journal? In fact, I'm rantia. I can say, omu co politics mo. Mishia binuma. I am share before
and after.
Aba bebre trim o ba bebre trim.
Sir John, I think partly is because of the stress and also deprivation of sleep at times and improper rest and no counterpart. Because I think that those are some of the contributory factors. Aside, it will be our hereditary grey hair, but I don't think it's but I think it's a stress deprivation of enough rest money out there. But all in all, no, and it slow you down. I mean, yes, it's only a sign for you to also start realizing that I would say you have to also be taking proper care of yourself. I mean, it's also important.
That's fine. That's fine. Now, Dr. Stephen Techi.
Oh yes. KNUST.
Yeah. Now all lecture and or making reference to or more fun and sem.
Okay.
Mr. Sumi one in Sems this year.
Oh, that's nice.
And we one in Sems this year and work.
He's a fantastic lecturer.
Yes,
very fantastic lecturer.
Or you're concerned about your environment.
Very concerned. I mean,
we are now yeah. Never be a boo any good so who say we're normal.
Yeah, you start recognizing these are normal.
And I can't you yes, I mean why direct say but now or make reference to.
Oh, okay. I mean, he can always make it direct.
Into a kind of museo.
Oh, he should always make it direct because I think for me, it is refreshing to have had somebody like him in that capacity to have supervised me. Do you know that he supervised my thesis?
And so
he supervised my thesis, and even we've had a publication out of that thesis.
Yes.
Very fantastic person, down to earth, very affable, and also straight to the point.
Yes.
Where need be, he doesn't miss his words, because I mean, he shows you the way, he guides you through the way. Mention Dr. Techi, Dr. Mponsa, Professor Pipra, Dr. Dina, Ademonia, quite a whole host of the Department of Planning. Okay, then most especially, I mean, the head of it, Professor Adakwa. I mean, he taught me research methods as I was there. Yes, I mean,
I see. That's fine. My income, and some more. Constituency to saying.
Oh, I don't pay my minchow. If I say it means production team near T4 near her phone now. I'm in Santima. Constituency Boko, constituency executives, coordinators, police station executives, and the constituency now, most importantly. And I'm better now. It's because of them in our frame. Yes, aside near my it's because I'm representing them tonight. So it's important that you chair you know mugusu dijuma omutayechi because who's will be tawachi from the way they relate to you when they have challenges. We don't have problems, we have challenges. How they will bring the challenges and even proper solutions to it. So I think it's very important we acknowledge that. I'm in Chas and so when I'm doing that, let me greet the Ashanti Regional Party. On the Memende Chemiana Yakotoba, the new executive headed by Chairman Adonohoko Kwapia to steer the affairs for the next 4 years and most importantly, bring us back to power in 2028 general elections. I mean, Falcons, I mean, Chiaomo. Now I am more Trinkwa. Now, yes, we are carrying a DHS party, mano. And who are Dimbiani and Namuntu Biano. You're fantastic. Because most importantly, Baku for Yamadrigo. This one, I can sort of send that I'm in Prima when you must help that person. Obi a also de bia de akobia no hia dodoa mo maso mu de asinitri so anana beti ana said the also de asu bia se bi mpa dodo benya ho faso bia no ohia dodoa no maso mu mo de asi from na ampem ho anse. So I believe that they need quite a number of all of us, the party in itself, to be behind them. They've started well. I believe that they continue on that way now, which I know they would. I mean, Ashanti region will bounce back for the 2028 general elections.
am nearby console, former member of parliament, the man, Bosume Freho.
Oh, Akwasi.
Yes, remember Akwasi.
What?
Yes. Ono de anu Dako ka humbo.
Yes, Dako ka. That's Dako Boate.
Any one me ka Akwasi Dako Boate no.
Yeah.
Me near ba ko ha, ntina na my confused.
Yeah, Akwasi Dako Boate. Yeah.
Beluchi.
Oh, okay.
Beluchi. Yeah, also the same name.
The same name.
Yes. And also what here.
Oh, really?
Yes, I send a message. I say good morning. Me Kumasi. Me too is here na. I say na niache pa. Na the other account your recommendation.
Oh,
I say me too na movie.
Oh, okay. Akwasi Michel no paper. Very fantastic.
Oh yeah. I mean, it was what here. Nti nkoma ye di nyina no. Ono so monitor bibia kama nti. Honorable Yadase pa always honorable. Nti Yadase pa honorable and a person so. Uti now constituency. Opposition. What has been the maybe I say enyan susanso bi wo one of presence. 2. We impact and I who come about projects and other things development and other constituency in opposition enyan susanso bi ana and to what extent if say enyan and in terms of presence anyhow also impact our constituency in the city.
First and foremost, in terms of presence, the Enya impact.
Okay.
Because you are still living in the same community, in the same constituency, you make the same appearances to the people representing them. And you know, in terms of presence, the Enya impact be also and money and I think it's even giving us more opportunity to be much more closer to our people and to be able to explain things far more better in that sphere. Because when we say call Parliament first time, you know, our numbers were so shrink to the extent that we had near par numbers in Parliament, 137. And now we know because anytime you move away from there, the majority tends to be a minority. And that would affect government business and the run of this country. And that was a huge period. I think the 8th Parliament has been unique in all the 4th Republic. But in terms of projects, yes, I must say, because and the budget person equal another government whose sole intention in the Ashanti region is to stall all developmental projects that were started by the previous administration. And I give you classical examples in my constituency. When it was a Kaneno, district assemblies by the former government. So now they've channeled all the money. So at least a minimum of about 80% will be brought to the district assemblies now and the regions. So for instance, KMA. Tiska Kaneno, now the district assembly common fund in Accra. Ebe hold it on ADI developmental projects that you can go there directly and bring some to your constituencies. Now everything has been given to the assemblies. To be whole, now it was started in 2024. The chippings be good to start to see dressing room for the past 1 year, 7 months, and almost about 20 or so days. First, it was financed directly from Accra, the District Assembly Common Fund. But currently, you and I know the Discana Brass Assembly near Kachom, so 20% of that money, and final legacy projects. They are not doing it.
They are not doing it. In this case, because areas be areas attach legacy projects.
Legacy projects, me see there is no legacy project. What they would term as a legacy project, because a project that is 2 years in a legacy project. A project that was time bound, it says, 2 years and it's in a bit be a terminal and on your legacy project. But that is how they termed it because being inherited in the 2024 after the general election. Nothing has been done. It's in a scanning crime. And my question by this kind of to assembly KMA. And you know, say when the District Assembly Common Fund at the banner, the Minister for Local Government and Finance, at the schedule utilization, use 20% for that, use 10% for that, use 5% for administrative. So now where is that money? I ain't me from Emma impression them. So what they are doing is they would want to store these projects. Almost 20 projects now. Most say to me, funny amount for the pressure about 2 members of parliament because you represent them. The municipal chief executives, they are not directly voted for by the people, so you don't represent them. But in Ashanti region, the members of parliament are more now in opposition. It's a project nature. they will be putting pressure on you, the member of parliament, into so that it will boost their political fortunes in the region. And that is what they are doing. Tuba Ashanti regional, all projects for the past 1 year, 7 months, no, almost Toleno. Go to Truba. The Middle Belt Development Authority, Kwaje Bridge by near Truba, the Sebe and Kiwi, which me call South Africa, the end so. Because the Truba, the end or the south side, and no form no. Tienu, we have been woman elevation, no more diaco. And you say, and yeah, a binding by was a good, Middle Belt Development Authority, no. We good Coastal Belt Development Authority, we good all the three. We good all the three. Akoma sika no aye budget na ni etwa authorities ni na says can coin. They padded those ones up also to the municipal assemblies money adem. Do you know why people are so much you say yentu DC for so? They will come within the constituencies and the communities to campaign. So because you're too almost about director. Now when you are brought the money, untimi international nya wadwene say me delay project na members of parliament in 1 year. If you remember, I remember the regional minister very clearly says that he will force the MPs in Ashanti region to work. When he said that, it was so interesting to me. He said, what does he mean by that? Common fund that can once him say 100 Ghana cedis. He moved 5 cedis penny the member of parliament. 95 cedis in the district assembly and municipal chief executive in the down. It made me 5 cedis you want to force me to use to work perfectly well. School dying so past, school dying bugu, clinics I'm using my 5%. Currently, as I speak with you, go to DRC. Somewhere around about 2 or so months ago, and a school dying. The KMA chief executive came, fire officers came, I came, and commodity diemuno, young Connie and Koya dining, the KMA says, "Oh, find common budget." Into your money, they will try and incorporate it into the mid-year budget money and send me. Still, they don't have money. Then I said, maybe 5 cedis and 5%. I would want to use that to rehabilitate it. It's money estimating from I bit me the you know it has taken 2 months.
From
KME. I fay this week here, I mean, I say, I fay na omaye estimate na ya de krata to so. Even for me to use me no, there is a delay in it because I was saying kit me we and the school for Uncle Daniel school on the 8th of September. So do you know what would happen? People will say, a member of parliament, I don't know me. Assembly 95 Ghana cedis, me 5 cedis. Who's who niska? My family 5 cedis ni being quiet so and so mammy. Then you sit there and say you force the members of parliament to work so that me and one be a month way. But the people have started realizing it all. They started realizing it. It is a mutina sentiment who say you delay projects money. When we went to speak about the Truba Bridge, there somebody says so minister. Then I asked 95 cities, no, any legacy projects. Middle belt. And if you Middle Belt Development Authority and
contractor maybe or you do not a cowman.
Maybe I'm contractor and I do near because we have to then pay him the entourage with me age man. Timoguno.
JCI contractor Kadi in your Akwasi Skebi and Kabeba
because the Middle Belt Moguno. You've more good Middle Belt into bed. A KMA said so because we had to send all the legacy projects to them because that was the directive. I say you were enclave or Truba. So trying to the enclave go. I said they are finding a way to have a hospitality industry where a hotelier will come and build a hotel. The hotelier need to build a hotel now. You. Then near my hotelier and I a bridge at the account. Say John. Which hotelier will be coming to build a bridge? Bridge me ya start here go the frame in the area. I can't feel na be feeling no harmony idea.
But possible.
No, you see, oh, you are just making a mistake. Possible. How long would the hotelier build in the hotel? No, every year and some of a bridge.
Maybe I don't know manage.
So we are buying. What we are buying. Man for who you just walk up hotelier and now sign agreement. I'm a basic hotel. What we are a bridge in the account. Do you know how long it will take for us to do?
Yeah, that's the issue.
Do you know how long it will take for you to do? And which hotelier? And what Babesi will tell a man for bed demo. I'm with me at Tinisican or this Sakano. Ebeka and answer a buying a Kwakutia hotel Nika and the Amano. Because the hotelier would only benefit from revenue from occupancy. And yet for transport, Ebedia when you about a bridge in so. That is a social responsibility of the state and the government. So you can't add that. Untimi fa no nka hotel ya ne cost ne ho. So mesi hotel no si dia hostel ya mama for. Oh, ntinema ni bo dia developmental paradigm shift no
enye too because enye too early for you to lose that hope, sir.
No, I have not lost hope. I'm telling you the challenges that you want to say. And enye too early so because your budget the amount pre no. So what the make an answer no. They are working. Yes, so you must let the working show on the ground. Your budget amount pre no. This was Assembly Common Fund eba. So these are the challenges that we face. And you see, Obia Wotie Biano should start adverting that person's mind to these things. Your member of parliament will be your advocate. Obekwa he will raise these issues wherever you would have to raise it. But the budget and the purse and the money is held by the government. The Juba District Assembly it is headed by the DC or the Msuba region by the regional minister. So if we are in Ashanti region and they know this is the stronghold of the position, in Tiabama projects a delay, Sabaya apart basing kofona nipa ho bayi omahi because they have representative that or opposition for the nuntino amomwa yomahi that will gain our political fortunes money and they are shooting themselves in the foot.
But don't you also think sir more projects in be also amotna ho che ansa na modem on se koka because of course say when you 8 years now within that 8 years no what started project be na betime wi nka be wi and then some of them 2023 2024 what touch you on those projects let's abide the banner if you never been to untimi enko ho nko wi ntem ma wa what na ho che
Sir John who your first degree here be
me first degree 2016
this year 2026 now your master's account
yes
10 years what na ho che.
Oh, but other courses are my
perfect too. Yes. Perfect too. Obia no awo ne ba wo de dako ananteda. It goes through a process, any procedure. For instance, bridge. Untimi nya bridge we encaste concrete no. Now I'm feeling it straight away. You have to leave the bridge to cure. Also my concrete no e cure. Anameboa. If the concrete would have to cure for a period that was what na ho che. So no project will start in a day and finish in a day. And in the course of the 8 years, the project now started on the 7th of January 2027. Project here came now started 1st January 2027. 2017. And now what can say it take 8 years. So starting in January 2017, it take 8 years. In the course of the 8 years, there were projects that were being done. Some completed, some started somewhere. So to say, so it don't we me can ever say ka wo wie ya. Unya can say you are making a mistake. What you say? Unya say you are even giving credence to people say they should not work. That is why there is always abandoned projects and that people suffer from these abandoned projects. And yet here we have agenda 111 hospitals. Ebi edu 90-something%, 60-something%. Emoni ade ebetimi we so ye budwa agusi esi dwa. And you tell me say can we start agenda one wie ya anka omunya ne ho na obudwa esi dwa ne de you say eno de the country must move on in a certain way. You mean say eniema ye no yenti ento aso. We should not leave them and come and say nka wo wie ya. Then why do you even contest for an election? Who contest for an election so babe? The country is a continuum. The country doesn't break and restart itself again. That is why when they said resetting, some of us told the same. Oh, phone. Your phone yes, you're freezy. And I'm a boy. But you may come on reset my phone. Maybe your contact was soon in a call. Meboa. Obi bia information of phone should be a better penny as starting for. That is the challenge. Tis our mindset to a bomb mutrimono. Everybody restarting one of them shame. I knew they were going to clean all the positive gains this country is making.
I see.
And that is what we are being faced with now. But here they are so they say we are focused on that. We are still pushing for my class. Oh no, who commands me Ashanti region? If you say this is to be on social media, money are there, castigating people, money are there. We will still fight for Accra and make sure it's the Ministry of Works and Housing. I didn't come. I'm a Ziomaji. I'm a commencement at the Free Ministry of Finance to come and be able to continue that. The assembly. Yes, and the South Africa one. It was South Africa. Broken South Africa. No, so we forced them World Bank projects here by the account of contractor by July 11th. To come and have a look at the project site and say, obetimi akwa prepare ediaba.
Na project we share the cost na we are aware say na assembly dey betimi afande.
Look, let me tell you, as of 2024 I almost started project, it was just shy away of about 3 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Shy away of about 3 million Ghana cedis. The project is almost 55% complete.
No, it's 55%.
It's just at that time, it's almost about what if I say 1 million krana, yet you 2 million. The assembly cannot contain 2 million out of the budget in a year. Do you know how much that comes to district assemblies currently in a year? Every quarter they receive. It depends assembly. No, KMA is a bigger metropolis. Yeah, the municipal metropolis containing 5. So yeah, can you put those in the Kenya? Assuming that admitting say even for every district to be in 5 million a KMA, in 5 million because 5 constituencies in 5 million. The whole year you say for the 4 quarters now, and you're almost 20 million Ghana cedis.
Yeah. Into who feel say assembly
you see
assembly no neglect or constituency.
And you constituency you are here. Go to the Bantamers, go to the Inshires, go to the Manhyia South, and go to the account. You don't say you see. As my make a man come and kwame home. I am telling what is happening.
Show my MPs are complaining.
Everybody. What you in my country I want to mean canon. You are playing the devil's advocate, and I like that because you are behind the console. You know that the developmental paradigm shift in what region is in Atiako form. Because I've told you that is what their mentality is, and but, you know it.
A lot of them are Ekoso.
Unia. Oko who will be 2 boho 180,000 money a day any a year, any development. They will bring you huge budgets. And money a day. So they say
boho I see Nikesi they super 90,000.
I see the Nikesi benefit. Accounts never. This year, last year accounts never. You see the problem we are facing is a best development be on 2 years and there were needs assessment that were done. If they say abai papa and they are receiving more money. That is what that I am saying. Sabi obi age 10 cities. Oko jomba or the body drum Akoma kunsi ana ba also ni ko dwakro ma ya 100 Ghana cedis. O ba ya the body drum you aba. O se meme de you because you discard do ma me shemi boto me the body drum you aba. The other 10 cities share inside the body drum in Siamba mu nyina dwakro na mu na mkoto no. And you don't test to glorify you.
A single project. Assembly
the assembly, you can call the assembly and say the project or about your constituency.
Not a single project.
You see, you can call them cemetery. It's funded by the assembly, but not from assembly no common fund, but not from immediate. One. Every project that is being funded in the constituency is from my common fund. Assembly 95 in the nobody am in. Show me. Catch it. As I'm more I can say Wesley Girls High School constituency imagine kunya 100. I'm going to come and say 400 out of 1,005 for the whole metropolis now already. To the or more pressing. The whole metropolis. Kunya 1,005 5 constituencies. Go to other ones. Yebeka yenta obia. We are saying it as it is because now no dear. Ye nim de eba. Na mo se ye de ne emfama. Nti de de buy and de ne de. What you say? De buy no de ne de. Okay.
I see. Entino. Yebekwa anymore. So from constituency, meaning say be other concerns be or be within the constituency no. But party for the say BBI fine.
Radiadum. Yami had my Sunday community engagement to Brookroom to engage the community and explain some of these issues to them. Then near my know the boreholes that we've drilled that ideas in your hand over their mom in Kanye their assembly members. So I've invited all the assembly members to come. So I'll be able to give all of these bulbs to them, no matter lighting up. The Kakraba to some between their 2 more wires. And it's animal, and even some room bulbs, some money idea now that we've been able to secure. No, we'll just be giving it out them to them. Somebody on betting also called the say there's a clinic or I see maybe to the foundation level. You've been there before when they see about electrification now. We would want to say at least young call a fear we the near coin impa. I feel there be remuno. At least it will be operationalized. And no money idea. We are not resting, regardless of how. The current administration of the NDC and the managers of the economy in the region, no money idea. We are not more of the social media and money idea.
Now let me find out. Sa consensus in our more the avenues I'm with me. I'm assembly now away. Apart from CBR, say me sure say when chief executive. Montebone.
No, Zuba.
Yes.
That's why I tell you that these matters are matters for the people.
Yes.
But not between me and no.
Yes.
What do I say?
Yes. Beyond that, say assembly no so no more MPs no. More assembly no.
Yeah, ex-official members of the assembly. Yes.
How often am more attend the assembly?
It is as often as they would invite us.
Also,
schedule meetings first and foremost. We don't schedule meetings in the assembly. So they are saying. And we are also in parliament. What do you say? So when you schedule your meetings when it's parliamentary period, ordinarily you know you and I, and it's possible so bit me.
But the last time I could be at
and I'm by me meeting. I mean your meeting.
Not just buying by a won't call
me meeting notice that. So how would I know and go?
Men can say buying by or invite you for assembly meeting.
They can show the letter that they've sent to me inviting me for a meeting. Me and I'm a assembly. I go there. When I come to
an assembly,
no, because
for the meeting,
not for the meeting, because time won't be on general assembly meeting. I'm not aware. Mako on several occasions to meet the Zuba Makosim coordinating director. I've gone to procurement just to be following up on me letters and matrony at the call. Yes, those ones I go there to go and follow up for my constituency money at and the utilization of me common fund money at but omu meetings the any and I make a I've never had a
PM no constituency.
Yeah, PM no constituency.
And what was Sunday here? Invite him more meetings.
You see, or a PM, but the assembly is also headed by on PM no on assembly in budget.
No, but say and you may call for meeting.
And I may say PM on assembly in budget, so I will not blame him.
No, me can say maybe opportunity.
Let me tell you one
thing.
To know. I'm meeting now.
Yeah.
Which one is even more better? Say me baby share direct.
No, but assembly no dey more official.
More official in what sense?
So we call this official meeting.
O come meet na me akọ this guy me na
am to. And I say
enye ni fie na me call office. Yes.
Office. And I say we call who share PM na ni PM odi nkoma. I mean documented and say documented.
You see your
but say general assembly meeting na. I mean, documented.
Don't go there.
Your concerns will be documented.
Your concerns will not be documented. Let me put it in that short form. What you say. When I would want to do something, a request for something from the assembly, even with my own common fund, because not general assembly, I mean,
okay.
Maybe common fund utilization and can with general assembly. What the mention us? Most importantly, baby, I've been say being here, and also do work program.
Yes.
Near acquire budget.
Yes.
And then be here. But so pursue your utilization, your project, and you have to put that on paper and send. The general assembly now catch us a Bebo school diary, so they use near Tregumu and one on Bebo school diary on Babe. No. So that is why you would have to go beyond that. Most importantly, to go there personally, physically, send documentation because those are references. I can say, you need a document be to minute on it. Because do you know, when you write a letter, and also you request BBM, it must be on a letter. It better pass it through Nipa Maku, Enumun 5, and son approval would come. What do I say? So it is not about so overcoming idea. So the person who would call for a meeting money at the end. And anytime we call for meeting, it's not blamable for project implementation and utilization of budget. So you don't bring the PM and say so on be inviting meeting money at the on only the no beckoning at the end of the day on you be implemented. Or the one meeting in now you offer the nice ideas in Abra. If the management of the assembly doesn't implement it, then obey. Can the PM beat it? On to me. Ebi na me make catch you say a dan swap pam ye na de ni akwa akore. Ahye. Yam kwa ni akwa assembly nso oniska. And no say a meeting abeko. And this can be. So what's the mention as no? But it's important so almost be hunu yesu your calendar. Because we are official members and if we don't just to come. So they are saying so that the meetings can be scheduled. Say be a bit me so I dey abwa ye kakra. We would ordinarily will not say at our whims and caprices na mufanye yefanya assembly meeting. But however, our concerns must also be incorporated in forming assembly.
But okay, I see. But anyway, and also so idea who
yes.
Because me say we are MP na assembly meetings invite to. I mean a serious matter.
Yeah, and I make can say parliament.
Serious matter.
And I'm a boy. Yeah. We go parliament on daily basis money and there so
a serious matter.
E be a one who me GMU. Sabri mu no. Ni be an committee the meeting be so asha. Then so
meeting no assembly.
Yes.
once you open anyway. I use him in control say uni Akwasi na Akoma things him in control say brofo no na bote brofo na so o catchy bube anti ata
aja ka ise men ka brofo bi
anti ata
men ka brofo bi ya program ya ye.
Okay, I see. Enti my share other things were parliament na fe yaba be share former ministry parliament so far Niama at saying with how our minority no is it my be uti how kakra bi
by your demo.
Yes,
you are the minority. And you are raising matters of national interest and national importance. That is the most important thing. Numbers are important, first and foremost, in parliamentary business. The core, first one, are numbers. So that's it. We are not right there. The a woman be a brofumi and sapena or motina, any majority, as many as are in favor, say, yeah, but a pine. They are not interested in whatever happens, money idea, because they know they have the numbers. Numbers, no. Money idea and dijuma. So one, mama governance a memu one mind a sort the quality of it in a sort. The quality of governance in the country, no, a sort. Because one, there's no proper scrutiny. You do all your best as the minority, share the ideas, make suggestions, money idea, but don't fact. Let me give you some examples. And almost about 80 to 90% of bills are the other parliament now came under certificate of urgency. Yeah, the ban no pa enu ahomache donko ni awie. So okay deal levy.
Awie na mo ho.
Meba ye wo ho. You would resist, but they will tell you some more numbers here. We would marshal our numbers to come and pass the bill. Because omo ye two tests. But because of the numbers, in the last election, any processes and practices, parliamentary business, over all of these years, that scheme would even tell you money at the end. Because of more numbers, into many do more ye be a home quite cheaper. Into the ban no payment menu, okay, deal levy. And I just say no more passing at 12 o'clock. You can see us invest CD and also one day an adjo. Bill said the other day winning a gold board one day, cocoa bill one day, 200 and something clauses here the dark open. Obet say when you say aha M1 aha many say yem kubusawe. I'm on fire because we feel all numbers they would want to do that. That is how hard they've made parliamentary business. Ebi awa otie chebeka say yem fen nimo anameboa yem fa nyemo anameboa mo na mokoyeye na mo amu man ni ye ne atu ne de temtie fe omo fen niye as members of parliament and the MPP debi koko bill ye pass yi enya me nkwa ma mo koko opokukuru mu nkwa ne di no do wo nkase so do wo inchi na de so a wo koko a onka bi a politics asem kura da no sa bill ye de bedi no ye di levy ba ye no on be pass di levy enye ye nipa di wo twenso no nko a any MPP amanyo nko a na sa aka ne beto ye so eto nipa dudu nyina so enti se omo ye ade na enye na ye ka enye otan ne enibre ene ye de ka Ghana yiye ne chichire penti ene ye de ka. That is what we are faced now with. Not me sorry upaje omukra workers as 1 minute more. Oh yes. And any amo here because they say parliamentary TV or yes about life. Take time. You quite take time and see. My dear Bakukrenwa. If be a speaker or tear no. And most especially most times where we are first deputy speaker and about those bills most times first deputy speaker on ridiculous no crowd means but yeah afi do baby afi no akwa ne hometi. That is how bad the majority and are making parliament and the governance of this system. It's an omoye omo ma to apedodo enye. So we mu abekaya rahani na edusu kan simbi na nsen ya say e man na do dan kwaku for ado ye say yen to DCs for Swabano. Omo de Boapayo Bonnie and a block here. Okay. Was we deliberately sabotage the process. 87.9. Their people should be very careful. Say the omode banombe ni ye pa no modiaba. Nye careful be akeke. They have the numbers. Careful is the make sure say that they build be number ba dem. Ye kan no team ye. Don't become ye bia no pia bontina nye nko ahụ. It will be signed by the president. Or sign we ababa ye emamra e wo Ghana nyina. Yeah. It's that is how Parliament is managed. But for people like us and for the people in the minority, we would always put every single thing on record. Sir John, we will put everything on record. Na chinabewa me kan say, man kamo kayanka. Ya di be ejuma. So what you say? Nipa no wan ka dia be kan say senka wo kayampa. Eno ti na so mo ya so na ya amuni hobby. Say Mike, we will not go. We will stay with them. You be making sure say we will let our opinions, our ideas, any our suggestions be made known and clear to them. So mutie no mbe fa dia kan wa me jitum se bebo man ne chechire ne nkan kro. But they are not willing to listen. Wako committee kra no interesting enough if we have committee meeting, then they will tell you to be considering a paper that is now being laid.
Oh, committee.
Yes.
But so educators at the committee level, because of the moment said them on number in city affecting more
representation. For instance, the committee on which me work back, lands and natural resources. There are 18 members on the committee. Yeah, 5 or we are 13.
Because of my number.
Yeah, because of your number. Yeah, 5 or we are 13. To us in the city. Immediately you get, I think, 7 numbers. You can form a quorum.
And
no more 13.
Enough.
So they can nearly form a quorum not twice and start business. So on the city. Yeah. It we decided to say yeah. Oh no, we push back, you have to be there and resist and make sure say that is how bad it is. And as a big numbers they have the temperament, they have the understanding, they have the stability, and just a Bob Brenner a deep boom mine no more use numbers in the bunny ya boy. And they don't be a piano topic. The more you be a top, yet me passing run, baby cranny home run it in the night. So now would say, Reguzi Tandra.
Yeah, and we dealt with the matter here.
Or say, you see 24-hour market, your 24-hour authority. Or say, it is not part of Omejuma Moye.
Oh, yeah.
It's authority bill, no 24-hour authority bill, more pass. You catch them say that bill no is of no importance. And who ya, and you just waste of time. And yanka minority, you can't chromo. Independent if you say, oh, and the man be me a be jumano, and the bema, and now what you never it is work as a passport office here 24 hours into passport in 2 days and hour. Say Mike, say John, let me yes idea no. Yes, I need catch the yeah, crown now my own for here 24 hours and 365 days running of this country. Okay, Ghana Education Service. Okay, the Ministry of Education. When the introduction of free SHS by. Okay. Yes, see a makwan ye nipa no betnefi nti ye school dan na hokwa. Ya fan siri okruma. Ya fan twa ya da pa okruma. Anka nche say ye traffic light. No mun fi se nyansa ni de ne ye nti ne de twa ya da pa okruma. Say ye man ko school a obi mu ko ne bi ma ba fie na ye traffic light na ye gold na ye green ne de twa ya da pa ne bi mu okruma. E na propaganda nti ne ye giedi. What is the difference? Se pan pass will be a friend 24 hours also be ya me nipa dodo anya adwuma ya. Can you need the difference in the na ye na sade Ghana mama no e kosku amomanya nimde na kan no nim ye no ne de na sebi adwempa eta ye che de ye enu nim de ye e ma ye fra teacher for mo so nim sa cause see afana no mu kire green no enye no ma na kire yellow it ye 2 streams no now see double the intake of teachers and then the bros had the 24 hours
more increase here by man double.
You see the problem that we have.
So
no, maybe don't let us go into those things. We doubled it, and I'll say that if you have 2 streams, then you're the same teacher no actually green, no actually yellow. Here too. Me busu asem. Se school ni makwan na teacher fo ni nyina makwan ya. Teacher fo ni nyina makwan, me nkra na makwan. Enya man nkra foforo so aba na teacher foforo be kira de a enye double.
But I'm saying that the double
no please, on record. Nyabotre meba. So it tells you says okay to send your double there na school na na double track there and abit can send your double.
Say no question schools.
So that means we catch us here double ya see a double because every school be na double track there we needed to have additional teachers of equal numbers to be able to teach the children.
So more double intake e schools are no more here.
Say double intake bia na ye double teacher for ni nyina. Enkwani bi ko school yellow. No mama kwa no ma church for nyina akotene fe nyesa na netie. Na nkwani bia aba green. Hahamono meboa. No mo so ne teacher for aba.
Yeah.
Enya double. Kane na teacher for no mo kira de ne ba ko enya mienu ni afa gina ho me ba. Ma yen church mu na tie fo nti ase.
Recruitment asem na make.
Ana se me yen church mu na tie fo nti ase.
Me yen nyina akwa ya te de o.
Me buza. Se me no mienu na ye sori ne ye kona kane na wonye bi obi a meto aso me ye adwuma. Na afa owie na obi foforo ba betena ne fa obi foforo mo betena wakonya mu yen double seat ni nipa etena so. So that is the point.
The entire staff.
The entire staff are where
as in Akoma FM entire staff.
You are not getting it. Make teacher asem staff na different. Staff who include administrative people in the school. Men can was them. No, me enkoya. Men can was them. Men can administrative.
No, I get your point.
Men can administrative. Once until make teachers and make teachers as make church for us.
Nyabutre. The embassy in etias say.
Ka na minchire mu.
The embassy in etias say. So kasa what double teachers are.
So na me can ye man kasa staff.
Then it what it means they say. Within the 2017
numbers no
free senior high school
numbers no to disprove their maker numbers need to disprove their maker no numbers are betting they disprove their maker no.
So I don't have the figures
so don't go into it,
but it is not accurate.
It is accurate. I stand by it. Say
1 million teachers are you added extra 1 million teachers.
My question is say accurate and I'll stand by that. Maybe so as me how many tracks? Me or double track. Yeah. Double nature saying.
Selected schools. Some schools are
say Mike, say John, double saying. Would you see any mum? You see any mum? Me boy. It's double and double in Chemino.
And it's a teacher for so immune.
And
for each subject.
It's now how.
But I'm saying that no, I agree with you.
You see, so don't go there. That is why a man call for a bar bemwa or muntimi meaning quite ye to say the name no. Because you are trying to find ways to explain to no oba no aye quarter. No be or the to won say oh near can now because on the body. What I want to say, don't bring staff. Don't bring staff. I'm talking about teachers. Me see. Ye mafana no omo gold no sika kokko no no omo makram no omo chechire fo kofia na meboa enti omo bo green ahamono no so no omo beskwa na ehia chechire fo foforo de ama wo mo enti andobo na be no meti abechire omo enti omo kwa no school bia na yase and make school bia na yase nkra no ko gold na omo ni teacher for. So
I'm saying that I agree with you.
So why are you challenging what I said? I don't challenge the maker.
Those schools I agree with you.
I don't challenge the maker.
But let me can say they are in Chiremusanwa. At that time, recruitment across the country at double doubling teachers
because we did double track. We doubled the teachers in the senior high school. Yes, and I'll stand by that. Don't let us argue about these things. Yes, I am telling you, say the buy or did a buy and 24-hour economy buy and was say double track. No saying 20 million. Unim dear. The nim dear quite. It's an obebu dear guga. Cocagetia. More a watch, more a watch. You can't watch land my friend town centers. More a watch. Time I don't pay me by me. Money me. Stop shop be any more you a be. Oh, the person such an edifice. Such an edifice. Look at the facility you have in the mall and run it 24 hours. Oh, pad the panwa ye be one man and my muni pa. A bini de near no. Oh, agenda 111. Mami or ton and tomorrow and tomorrow juice you know. Meme nana kusi eji wano tompunam. Wan tompunama hu machine or de hwe ni manum. Emo mo be nurses. Eme bi be lawyer for, e bi be eyimoni ade engineer for no. Etino ohia edwane se be run 24 hours but ohia hospital se be doso. Na ne madodo no owo mo ma be nurse for no. O metimi akonya adwuma aye. Oko nurse for am free bi morning off. Obi every be half day. Ye free bi so me come morning, obi se me come afternoon, obi se me come night. On say ka okeka ne see ya. Me menya adwuma ni bi ka okeka ne see dia nke be hia different setup nkwa be enumu.
Exactly, that's true.
It imagine say where we agenda 111 na ewo adanse asokɔ na yɛde akyire etu galamsey no ki yɛwie ne yɛmfa ntu galamsey a yɛn nuanom a yɛtiti wɔn training wɔn wɔ nursing school ma maame no tɔn ntoma ɛwɔ Kumasi dwom na yɛde hwɛ ne ba no onya so bebu ni dwa na gu agogo ɔnse maame fo no mo agogo no so mo mpene ɔmo so mo mpa adwuma ma yɛ ma no maame bi a ne ma mienu na awie school tie o ne ma mienu wa hwɛ wɔn a wɔ adwosuo no so saa no ma wie school no mo na bɛyɛ nurse foɔ yɛsi agenda wa ase mi wie na ma yɛ de akyire to galamsey ɔno sɛ nka afa wɔn a ka hospital baako betumi akɔ morning na nka baako akɔ afternoon ɛno na kyerɛ 24-hour economy ɛnam sɛ nimdeɛ no nkɔ yie no wɔn afa ne nti no they don't see that wɔn feel sɛ sɛbi obi nka sɛ edwa nye o but edwa dodoɔ na yɛsi ne mu deɛ he na yɛ fully occupied.
but ɔmo kura ɔmo kan kyerɛ sɛ deɛ gositan do kan kyerɛ sɛ edwa no mu si ne nyɛ 24-hour economy.
ɛnyɛ 24-hour economy.
saa na ɔka no nora.
saa na ɛna wɔsi ɔmo kura ne ɛnsɛn ni ɔmo hɔ.
ɔsi ɛnyɛ wɔn na wɔn yɛ.
ɛnyɛ wɔn na wɔn yɛ.
ɛmo obi emuso ɔmo.
ɛmo musa ho asɛm.
That's also dangerous.
Very dangerous. It's not make a choice. Baby and this for do mine and namun and one ya way as one my own. You be you know you pay and once you pay and try you who has him. And you're very dangerous.
Then at a point now Eric Opoguzu can say
and yes be the broilers for the also only
when the thing is supposed to operate under the ministry.
Because say money you know. I one mo bi amechim ball
Thomas say
brade yesu
eh
ti ya the ball ye mo obi e bi o kai say first na free ball bi felele ye the amama na the afa o the ball be tum na nam say tum na nam say obi antimi ebi na omo ye ye say ball na do so ye the ball be tum na nam say tum na nam say ye can imagine the agro but they are very serious very very serious and ma ye te wo man ehu yi pa afi abosumi nso ni ehu yi pa. And there is no end in sight. Because market, you know, the over 24-hour market, no, or the admonition inside. You passing Marakradia man, or see minimum here. Then your memory yet here, and a finance ministry, any agric ministry near your Kusika. The work can say, a Greek minister Sisicano in some kind, finance ministry, so me 3 scan the amount. Look, don't say that. Oh, you can't get a scar saying ministers may not take cabinet. Where's my piano? Where's my sanke scan? What is any idea?
This is Eric Opoku.
Now, 77 now they are coming to table. So, also, their man will be feared. They are in Sifi. Was the woman Miss Kebia? Oh, yes, was an adjoining cabeda. Can't come on charging to your mamma. I'm saying yes, and be also money. Now, can you say, I'm meeting as you catch and say me? I'm on the press. Only you should press statements money idea. And ask me one then where me anano. Hey, ye ni agro krom be mu. Me offer no more money sir.
Over PV's watch yaw.
I catch you offer John to say me jina so.
Say eh me offer see. Me ngu you. Was who ngu your tias.
I catch you offer say me na nanu me hu so kasa bagalam say no can with passion pa.
Yes. Oh that's all offer the onim say.
Me hu say na no can but unia galam say na be kwa bru say.
Me ba me twa mo mra ni sam ko. Me say me twa mo ba na nya bre for mining galamsey. Any good board.
No problem.
And only the Konadu busia. Inti me basi sia me twa me ho aba na edu pax men kan cho se nkwada no amu ko ombe